Here we have a 71 plate BMW 320d M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website, but just to mention a few, we do have the M Sport Pro package and the technology package. We also have the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. Mineral grey metallic paintwork, we have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills and also the gloss black front splitter, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Round to the passenger side you'll find the side skirts along the bottom. We do also have colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear spoiler lip on the tailgate. Here's a closer look at another alloy wheel, as you can see again in excellent condition. We do have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and also a reversing camera as well. Got the rear diffuser at the back with the dual legs exhaust. We also have a button on the remote. If we press that button just like so, then you find the boot will pop open just like this. And inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space. It goes quite far back. Storage pockets on the left and also on the right hand side. We also have handles underneath here so we can pull the boot back closed with ease. And walking back round to the driver's side now, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior now, heading into the back first, you find the full red leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. Got the M Sport style seat belts as well. Climate control down there for the rear passengers. We have the electric windows on the doors along with the ambient lighting. Again at the front we have the same red leather interior. There's a look at them front seats, both of which are heated. Got the electric mirrors just there, the electric windows, child lock for the rear. Automatic lights just down there. We also have the ambient lighting throughout the vehicle, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel as well. Taking the seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put our foot on the brake, press your start button, the vehicle will start up for us. We've got the speed limiter and the cruise control just here. We have the paddle shifters as well on either side. We also have the high beam assist just there on that stalk. We do have the heads-up display just up here as well. If that's flickering or if any of the screens are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We're also free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard. We've got the main screen in the centre. Again, if it's flickering, it's just the camera. Showing the sat-nav, but if we press onto the media, you find the radio stations appear just here, with the Spotify and also the Bluetooth audio. Got the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls, and we do also have all these apps which are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Going on to the main menu, if we go onto car, onto the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting just here with plenty of colours which we can choose from. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And further down you find the climate control. We've got the heated seats either side, along with the ice cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do, as you can see. We have the storage space inside of here, cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and also a USB port. We've got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So we have the adaptive drive mode, we have Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport. Also changes the look of the dashboard for different drive modes, as you can see. And if you put the car into reverse, you'll find the reversing camera with the front and rear parking sensors. Put it back into park, we have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button, leather armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 320d M Sport. Now the purpose of this test drive is to show you that this vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. You can see I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel. We're not veering off to the left or veering off to the right. We're staying pretty true to the road. Throughout this video test drive, you'll be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now as I accelerate down the road, we're going through the gears pretty seamlessly. There's no jerking motion between each gear. The transition is nice and seamless. Multifunctional steering wheel, we've got the cruise control and the speed limiter on the left hand side with the paddle shift, and we've also got the volume with the heads up display menu button on the right hand side with the paddle shift. We've also got the heads up display. As you look forward towards the bonnet, you'll be able to see your speed, and if you press the menu button, you'll be able to see it says media or radio or news. Now if you want to go through the gears manually, you can use the paddle shifts on either side to go up or down, or if you just prefer driving this car full automatic, then you don't have to do that. We've got the satellite navigation in the centre with all the other functions which you'll have seen on the website. Now, as I take a right-hand turn here into the industrial estate, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, but first I'm just going to let the cars past. We've also got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, and we've also got the ice cold air conditioning with heated seats, also with the heated rear window. Now I'm going to perform this in 3, 2 and 1. Straight into reverse. As you can see, we've got the rear reversing camera with the sensors on display just there. Back into drive perfectly and driving away. If you've got any other queries or questions about this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact the sales team here at RS Car Sales. But that's all from me today. Cheers.